But we begin with the CDC issuing new mask guidelines saying fully vaccinated people can exercise and hold small gatherings outdoors and not have to wear a mask. The CDC sought to send a clear message today, releasing new guidelines for those Americans who are now fully vaccinated.
Pretty highly anticipated updates centering on mask use in outdoor settings. Now well established to carry far less risk than being indoors. Let's bring in Dr. Frank McGeorge here to explain what's changed now. Doc?
Yeah, Kim and Devin. So with more than 37% of American adults vaccinated and decreasing COVID-19 case rates in some parts of the country, the CDC felt it was time to update their guidance for the use of masks in fully vaccinated people. Now, this is the third time they have updated this guidance to really keep up with new data and changing vaccination rates.
There's increasing data that suggests that most of transmission is happening indoors rather than outdoors. Less than 10% of documented transmission in many studies have occurred outdoors. We also know that there's almost a 20-fold increased risk of transmission in the indoor setting and the outdoor setting.
That distinction between indoor and outdoor spread is what prompted CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky to update the CDC's mask-wearing guidelines.
Generally, for vaccinated people, outdoor activities without a mask are safe. However, we continue to recommend masking in crowded outdoor settings and venues, such as packed stadiums and concerts, where there is decreased ability to maintain physical distance and where many unvaccinated people may also be present. If you are fully vaccinated and want to attend a small outdoor gathering with people who are vaccinated and unvaccinated, or dine at an outdoor restaurant with friends from multiple households, the science shows if you are vaccinated, you can do so safely, unmasked.
Now, this update should provide important reassurance to people when it comes to outdoor activities, but it's important to keep in mind that when attending a crowded outdoor event, like a live performance, a parade, or a sporting event, universal mask wearing is still recommended at this time.
And Frank, interesting, when they say vaccinated, I guess we need to talk about the definition and what they mean by that when they say fully vaccinated.
Yeah, Devin. So to be considered fully vaccinated, you need to be 2 weeks out from the final dose of the vaccine you received. So 14 days after your second Pfizer or Moderna vaccine, or 14 days after the single dose J&J shot.
Yeah, important distinction. All right, Doc.